Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. Today I have another unboxing for you. It's on my Boxyluxe for the month of December. I'm super excited about this box. I'll link everything underneath if you want to know more about BoxyCharm and how you sign up and stuff. I'll link it underneath, and I'll also link all the products if you want more information on them. But I'll just get into it now. So it's a huge box, much bigger than the monthly BoxyCharm for sure. And I'll just open it up here and go through each item with you guys. So the theme is BoxyCharm Whimsy. So the first item that I see, I chose and I love, it's this Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. This retails for $79 on its own, and I love the brand Elemis. Everything I've tried from them I really enjoyed, and it's a full size. This is what it looks like. It's so pretty. And I love facial oils and I love Elemis. So I chose this. Now BoxyCharm lets you pick at least one item every month. So I'm super excited about this. The next thing that I got is this liquid lipstick. It's the Too Faced Melted Metallic Liquefied Metallic Matte Lip. It's in the color Sugar Kisses, and this retails for $21. This is what it looks like. I love the color. It's a really nice nude. So I'm excited about this. I love when I get lip products that are colors that I actually love to wear. So I'm super excited about this. And next I got this blush from Ciate London. It's the Marbled Light Blush. This retails for $26. This is what it looks like. It's really pretty. It looks like a blush highlight. It looks like a blush highlight. It's really beautiful. And the color looks like it would work well for my skin tone, so that's nice. The next thing I chose as well, you guys know I had to pick skincare again. So this is the QMS Medi Cosmetics Lip Line Corrector Lip Serum. And it says, lightweight serum formulated to hydrate and plump the lips for a smoother, youthful appearance. So I'm super excited about this. I love things for my lips because my lips are super dry this time of year. And this retails for $200. That's insane. That's more than the entire box. And it's only 15 mils in here. So I'll try this for my lips and definitely do a review on this for you guys. Also comment down below, what things do you want reviews on from this box, and what did you guys get in your box? I'd love to know. The next thing is this setting spray here. It's by In Beauty Power Up Dual Phase Setting Face Mist. It's an energizing face mist that is packed with pick-me-up vitamins for day and night. It retails for $32, so it's quite pricey. And you can see it has like a oily film to the top of it. You guys can see here. It has like an oily film to the top of it, so when you mix it, it must mix everything together. Oh, cool. And it's supposed to give glow, hydrate, and energize, and use under makeup to prep the skin, over makeup to set your look, and throughout the day to refresh tired skin. So I'm excited about this. Actually, I love setting sprays. They really make I really find setting sprays make a big difference with my dry skin, so my skin doesn't get so dried out during the day. So I love that. And so far I'm loving this box. Like, I love everything in it. The next thing I love as well, it's this Kat Von D liquid liner in Dagger Tattoo 2 liner, waterproof liquid eyeliner. I love liquid eyeliner. It's my favorite. So I'm super happy with this, and this retails for $20. So I'm super impressed with this Boxyluxe. I think this is the best Boxyluxe of the year in my opinion. So let me know what you guys think underneath though. And then we're on to the second layer of the box. The next thing I'm actually really excited about as well is this Rituals The Ritual of Sakura, celebrate each day as a new beginning, sensational foaming shower gel, organic rice milk, and cherry blossom. So I always need a shower product, so this is great. And this retails for $9.50. So I'm super excited about this. I love shower products. The shower is pretty much like a time that I use to pamper myself, so I love that. The next thing, I'm like, this like made my whole box for me. I can't even believe this is in here. The Fresh Soy Facial Cleanser, the full size. It says it's for all skin types, rich in amino acids, gently cleanses face and eyes. I've used this cleanser many times and I love it so much. It's a gentle but effective cleanser. I use it with as my second step of cleansing. Like I use my cleansing oil first and then I use this as my cleanser, and I love it. It doesn't dry my skin out and it smells delicious like cucumbers. This is really expensive on its own. It says $38, but I think these are in US dollars, so I'm pretty sure on Sephora it's like 40 or 55 just for the cleanser. So that's like as much pretty much as the box is worth. So this is so exciting for me. Please, BoxyCharm, keep including these great skincare brands because I'm so excited about this. And the next thing here is a palette. Storybook Cosmetics. This is what it looks like. It looks like an actual book. It's really cute. It's like an actual book. And this is what it looks like when we open it up. These are the colors, and the other side is a mirror. So it has beautiful colors, actually colors that I really gravitate towards. A lot of neutrals, a lot of shimmers. I love a good shimmer, and I love that blue there. And this retails for $55. I actually really love this purple as well right here. So this is beautiful. Wow. I'm actually really excited about this palette. I love when I get palettes that I can picture myself using. So that's everything that I got in my box, guys. It's empty. So as always, please subscribe for more videos and like this video, letting me know that you want more unboxing videos and monthly subscription unboxing videos. Thank you so much, guys. I'd love to see you in my next video. Happy holidays, and love you guys and appreciate you so much. Love you. Bye.